What's up, guys? Hey, were you just watching my last video? Because I kind of truncated it because we're in a good place right now. Honestly, we're in the same place we started before. For those of you who didn't watch the last video, let me just show you real quick where we are. Unlocked a bunch of stuff. The big thing that got us to our level were the heavy choppers. Right here, boom. And then the other thing that really helped a lot was building damage. And going way back here to the beginning, getting building damage and machine guns. That has allowed us to set up this awesome base, and it works pretty well. Obviously, we're level 18, about to get to 19. Okay, so let's get into some fun action. It is tough to find an opponent sometimes. I like to believe that it's because we're very high level with very low tech, which is where you want to be, by the way. Okay, taking quite a bit there to find an opponent. When it takes this long, it'll either push you up to the next level, and in our case we'll have to go to a high 6 or a low 7, or to push you down a level and all of a sudden we'll have to fight a 4. So let's see. 5. Okay, so for those of you who didn't see my level 5s, I mean the 5 engines, they're pretty straightforward. This one looks freaking gnarly. So we're actually not going to do a heavy Choppa rush, which is normally what I would like to do. Not like I'm afraid of him or anything, but he's got quite a bit of defenses, and so I think it's going to be a little bit methodical. I think he spent so much money on defense, tokens and whatnot, and keys, that I don't think he's got the offense to match us. So we're going to go 1, 2. And then all we really have to do is protect our Not what I expected. Tougher than I expected. Voodoo, good job. And he beat us. Yeah, like I said, he went to lose him. That was good, man. You know what I mean? We should have done heavy Chopper rush, but anyway. Hindsight, man. This one's interesting. thought he had a physical. Woo-wee! Oh, that was a race to the bottom. Let's see what happened. Oh my gosh, that was funny. Six heavies and 2 rockets. Ooh, poor guy. Havoc. Sorry, bro. Build. Versus 1 boom. We're having. Sorry, buddy. Okay, so we're on the edge. Let's do 1 more. Sort of like regular style. And if it doesn't work, then we're going to unlock bombers. Because we're going to unlock bombers anyway. That's the way to get to 20 and 21 and what. But just for fun, let's see what happens here. Same thing. I say same thing. Hopefully what happens here is start to keep up with that video. I mean, you know, it's kind of weird because we're hoping so much again. It's not Man, that's the best we could do there. That's the best that we could do that attack. I mean, really, everything that could have gone our way went our way, and we still lost. So that was, I would say, near perfect attack on our side. We did everything right. We dropped to the right. We flared to the right. All right, we had a good spread. You guys saw it. Everything was awesome. We still lost. That means we got to go bombers, which, like I said, we were already kind of going that way. So we're going to go bombers and max them. Okay, so this is one of those things where it could have been the best thing we ever did, could have been the worst thing we ever did, but I really do believe it's the only way to move forward. So now instead of 3-5 that way, we'll do 3-5 that way. This should result in much better attacks. This video should be called Choppas versus Bombers. Which way to go? Maybe I'll do that. Easy peasy, I think. A little too easy, maybe. We could just run through this fool with heavy choppers. He's got nothing. Okay, we're going to switch up the attack. I think we didn't follow our own strategy, which is to build our army. If you watched our last video, let's do what we were supposed to do. Is the video getting long? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's do what we were supposed to do, so we can get on the winning track here. I don't know, sometimes the base looks so naked, you're just like, yeah, I got this, you know? Not sure how we could have done that better. We could have split, dropped. No, I just don't know. No, sometimes, you know, look, all you gotta do is really learn from people's attack. And maybe you guys saw something there that I didn't. But that's how you gotta do it. Oh, this is gonna be my last attack because I forgot I have food. My wife brought me lunch. Yeah, I'm married, guys. To a beauty. I do say so myself. Boston, they couldn't find me an opponent, I guess. Granted, he was a 19. Oh, okay. All right. So, guys, back to the drawing board. Let me think about this for a little bit because it's not quite working out. All right. So, hope you learned something from the video. The good and the bad. Sometimes you don't win as much as you think you're gonna. Make an awesome video and then it kind of backfires. But no worries. We're gonna keep working at it. We're high 18. Sometimes it's the time of day and the people you're going up against. So we're gonna make some adjustments here. Okay. But the video is getting long, so look out for the next one. All right. Bye, guys.